Hi everybody, this is Dale. Welcome to my channel, Not Too Shabby Chic. Yes, I have joined the Temu train, or Temu, or Temu. I'm not sure the correct way to spell it. I have had several orders I've placed with them, and I've loved everything that I've gotten. And they reached out to me to select some items and to do a review. So, that is what I'm going to do. Before I get too far into this, I want to make sure to tell you that linked below is a discount code for 30% off. 30% off of products. This is off of your entire order, but it's for new users only. So if you've already ordered from them, it won't work. But it will work if it's your first order. So I would encourage you to take them up on it. You get free shipping and free returns, US only. They have really good quality things. I haven't gotten anything, I don't think, that I didn't really like. So I encourage you to check them out. So let's see what I got from them. I tried to get a bit of a variety. And one thing I saw were these cool sneakers or shoes. They're super lightweight, flexible, cute. They just have fake ties. I mean, you can tighten it, but you don't have to. But aren't those adorable? And they feel cushiony on the inside. You got an arch support there. So I really was impressed with these tennis shoes. Sneakers or flats or shoes, whatever you would like to call them. So the link for all these products will be listed below. Let's see what else. I'm going to move this bag. Let's see what else we have. These awesome scissors. I've worn out some of my scissors, so I wanted to order a good pair of scissors. And these scissors are really cool. I love the big finger holes, handles. The product features say the shear body adopts 65 MN, and I'm not sure what that is, forging and pressing groove technology to enhance the strength and sharpness of the shear body, and the fine shavings generated by the shear can enter the pressing groove to improve the smoothness of the shear. Basically, they're awesome. And they have a little bit of oil still on them, so they're nice and greased up. And let's just check them out. Let's try to cut something. Let's just cut this piece of paper. Great cutting. Right off the bat. Isn't that awesome? So they cut great. I love the scissors. Next, and in case you're wondering what some of this has to do with crafting, I did have a comment that someone asked me on my last video for a different unboxing what it had to do with journal making, and I said absolutely nothing. So sometimes, this is the first time actually I've done a video for something that didn't have anything to do with journaling, but you know, I can do it. I can do that. These obviously you can use to cut paper and fabric or whatever you want to cut. I can wear these while I'm doing junk journaling. And this was super cool, and this is trimming sharp. Say no to trimming / sharp and fast cutting. So you can use this to cut cardboard, chipboard, thick chipboard, and it's got a curved edge and a straighter edge. And I really like this, and you get an extra blade with a little three extra blades with the little tools to attach it And you can cut, like I said, heavy chipboard, cardboard, you know, things that are thick, like when you're trying to do a journal cover and you're trying to slice through your chipboard, and if you want to use the thick stuff. And then this is curved, where you could go around a curve. So I really like this. It's heavy duty, very heavy, well made. So that is an awesome tool. What else do we have? That's all that. I got this pair of jewelry pliers, and I use jewelry for dangles and various things in my journals. And to make dangles, to make boho beads. And what I loved about this one is it's got this side for you to make your turns with the head pins, and this helps you do that. Isn't that cool? I love the way that's shaped, so I'm really excited to try that. So that, put these where you can see them. Super cool tool. I'm so excited about all these things. And look at this. This is a die, and it is for like mason jars. And I got 5 sizes. So this will be fun to try out as well. And I did not have a big sized die for jars. So this will be fun to try. Maybe I'll show you this in one of my shorts that I'll be posting about the products. So, and again, these prices were amazing. I just can't even begin to tell you. And I wanted a little mini scoreboard. So this is a 5.5 by 7-inch scoreboard. And you can make envelopes. And it kind of tells you how to do that on the back. And you have your little score tool to do it with. And it's got the measurements. You can see those. Yeah, there you go. See all the measurements where you can measure. It's on both ends and on the sides. And then back here you have some embossing things you could do with your paper, rubbing over that. Make an envelope, and it gives you the dimensions here. So this is super cool. You won't necessarily have to have an envelope punch. You can just take a square piece of paper and score it and then trim it, and you have an envelope. So this is super cool. I love this. And then this is a part for your score guide for your envelope here. Ta-da! So this is super cool, very nice, well made again, good, sturdy plastic, and we'll practice that in one of my shorts as well. And then, last but not least, everyone's heard of Neodymium magnets. They have them, and they're not cheap typically, and these are super strong, guys. I mean, it's hard. You can't hardly, you have to kind of slide it off. They're stuck together so good. So for making your envelopes and closures and what have you, these are perfect, and they really hold great. So I got a lot of these, as you can see, and I have purchased these. Had a hard time finding this size online on Amazon and what have you, but this is the perfect size. So the code for this will be linked below. These are a great buy, and super strong magnets, and you get so many. So this is awesome. So I got all of these wonderful things from Temu. Thank you so much, Temu. I appreciate being able to represent you And these were great items. And I've gotten other items as well, as I said before. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Please take advantage of the 30% off coupon for new users. You won't regret it, and you will love their products. So I hope you all check them out and enjoy and have a wonderful evening, and I'll see you in some of my shorts and community posts about some of the products. Talk to you in my next video. Bye-bye.